Hi guys, I am back like I said I would be from the last video. Just preparing this one. Decided that I was going to take a couple colors out of the mix to see if this is going to be what I really want this time. So I am only going to be using black, white, blue, and gold. And we're going to see how this last set turns out. So while I'm getting everything prepared, not like you're going to see this base anyway, but I do need to put something on the bottom, obviously, to help it flow. I also wanted to let you know that I will be speeding this up periodically, so the video does not take an hour, and I do have some very surprising results at the end. So without further ado, let's get to slinging some paint, guys. Those are the last ones. The set of 5 right there. Darkness and light. Finally, after all this, I'm actually pretty pleased with that. These are the ones I did before. Like I said, they're definitely gonna grow on me. Holy cow! As I just may or may not make a set of 4 coasters with these trivets, but wow. I need to send her all these photos and tell her just how much of an inspiration she's become. So I think this set here is going to be the one I actually send her. Even though, if I can get it, I don't want to make you dizzy. See if I can reach over here and grab it. Oh, okay, without dropping anything. I can show you where this started from. This is originally what I wanted her to have. But they didn't want to come out right for the rest of the pieces, so minus the purple and less gold, this right here, that's what these are. And that just goes to show you, no matter what you think you're gonna do or want to do, this paint has a mind of its own. You can coax it, mix it, spin it, blow it, and either way, the reason why I love it so much is I love uniqueness. So, one of a kind, each and every one, and that's the way I like it. So, that's it for now. I will probably come back and show you when they're dry, or possibly even dried and completed with resin coat. Okay, see you guys soon. I'm going back for my last sip of coffee, and I may do another video. Stay safe. Bye now.